Here's a pair of the T09 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. So the first thing is we got to put this in a pairing mode, okay? So the buds are in the case. Let's open these up and wait a few seconds. And if you get one of the earbuds blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, that would indicate it's in pairing mode. I'm not getting no blinking lights on here. The reason is because I'm connected to another device here. So in order for me to put this in pairing mode, I can do three things to the phone that I'm currently connected to. All right, let me go to settings here, and then I'm going to go to connections, and then Bluetooth is right here. Yeah, you can see the T09 is connected. So I can do three things. I can turn off Bluetooth, I can click down here, and I could disconnect, or I could unpair, basically delete it off my pairing list. If I do any of those three, this will automatically go into pairing mode. Let's go and just disconnect. It said disconnected, and now one of them is blinking blue, red, blue, red. So now it's in pairing mode. So let's jump over to the iPhone here. We're going to go to settings, and then from settings you want to go to Bluetooth, and then we're going to scroll down here, and that little spinny thing is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, these are still in the pairing mode. It's not showing up here. It should show up down here. Let me just turn off Bluetooth, and I'm going to turn it back on, do a rescan again. It's still in the pairing mode here. And let's see. What do you know? T09 right down here. Let's tap on that. We're connected, ready to go. There you go. Pretty simple.